Hey guys, it's Yori and Fermin. Welcome to The Present Road. Today we're going to talk about our essentials, things that we used every day while we were traveling.
Yeah, we wouldn't leave the hotel room without these things, and they were like, it would have been a bad day without them.
Yeah. Alright, so let's jump right in.
First thing, you've probably seen a lot of our pictures on Instagram, and it was our tripod. This tripod is amazing. It's super teeny tiny. It's been really robust. We've had it for almost 2 years. It has a little remote, Bluetooth remote control right here that you can take out, so you can leave the tripod somewhere. Selfie stick and tripod. It's also a tripod, I'll show you right here. So you can open up these little legs and it can sit somewhere. And then this of course extends like a regular selfie stick. So it's not like an amazing tripod, right? It's very short, so you have to put it maybe sometimes on something tall to take a picture more eye level. But it's definitely helped us in a bind, and we love the size, we love how tiny it is, and it's so easy to carry around. The other thing that goes really well, along with our phones, because a lot of our pictures are taken with our phone, is a wide-angle lens. This one is the Sirui wide-angle lens. And it's a clip-on one, and the reason why we picked the clip-on one is because there's a screwy one. We can use it on both phones, so we have different size phones, so we can clip it on my phone or we can clip it on Fermin's phone. And this has also been really amazing, almost no distortion, which is awesome. We love it. What about you?
Yes, and so what I liked was this power bank here. It's small, it's pretty thin, and it's actually pretty light and can carry a lot of power. And you
like
fit
two
in your,
charges, right?
Yeah, 2 charges at least.
2.
You can put it in your pocket, right? And so I just liked it because it was small and thin. And then we also carried my backpack. There's this guy here.
I know.
Yeah, this
Hand
guy.
sanitizer.
Yes, you should always have one of this because you'll find yourself sometimes going in the bathroom and there's no water.
I know, or no soap.
Yeah, no soap. So
Ew,
this little guy here is perfect.
just makes you feel a little better. We think it works. So. Okay, so there are these 2 items we didn't carry around with us, but they were unbelievable all the time. You want to talk about this one?
Oh, so this is our, what would you call this?
I think it's like an extension cord.
Cord, yes. So, but the cool thing about this, it's also small, pretty light, right? And then also has a power surge protection. And it has different plugs here for different countries and for USB connections. You don't know how many times we use this. Everywhere we went, we always use this. Because when you go to like some hotels or hostels, right? They only have one outlet. So, but with this, ooh, nice catch. So with this, it gives you a little bit more options. You can charge your phone and a lot of things all at the same time.
Also, you only need one adapter to have way more outlets, which makes it so easy. You only need to carry around one adapter, which is really nice. And then this is just a retractable cord. Just makes it really easy to pack to connect to the USB ports on that thing. So that was really cool. Then there was a couple of items that were everyday essentials for some countries. So like this one and this one. This is a really, really thin scarf, like really, really teeny tiny, but it was perfect for those countries where I needed to cover up anything, like if I was wearing a tank top and I needed to cover up my shoulders or maybe my hair in some countries, like, and it's not just Muslim countries, right? Like in Hindu temples too, they make you cover up. So this was super versatile, really teeny tiny, and it just fit into my purse.
Yeah, for guys as well. I mean, there were a couple times I was wearing shorts, and so I put this around my waist.
Yeah, like a sarong.
Yeah, so
kind of.
It's pretty handy. And this one is the Houdini. So it's
this
very
is
light.
amazing.
Yeah,
it's so
very
worth
light,
every
very
penny.
thin. So, and it also keeps you from the wind and cold, and it's small and light.
And it dries up in no time.
Yes. So this is my Houdini right here. Siori also have hers, and this we carried around all the time.
Yeah, and we'll put links in the blog post if you're interested. This is a Patagonia product. It's a bit expensive, but it was so worth every penny. We used it so much. It dries so quickly when you want to wash it. Like literally, you don't even need an overnight. It's a couple of hours. It fits on every one of our bags, even my tiny purse. It packs into like nothing. It's super layerable. It's totally amazing. So that was everything that we used on a day-to-day basis, like the physical things. But in terms of apps really made our travel so much easier. And these are the apps that if our phone got wiped and we had to reset it, or we just didn't have anything on our phones, these are the apps that we would download first because they were so useful. So, which ones were?
Mine would be Google Drive, Google Maps, and the Google Translate apps.
Yeah. Google Translate isn't perfect, but it will help you.
It helps a lot.
When you just can't read anything. So
yeah.
even if they don't get it 100% right,
but it's close enough.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Even if it's like 5% right, it will still help you more than 0. So it's really awesome. Maps is the same way. It's not perfect in some countries. It's like far from perfect, but again, it was so useful in most countries.
Yeah, and it was also useful looking for a place to eat. And then we always, I think we trust the reviews in a Google Map a lot more than some other reviews apps out there.
Yeah, we found them to be, I don't know, maybe more honest. Like, there's also less volume in some of them, but we like them in general. And then Google Drive, we kept a lot of our shared documents there. We didn't really, so much stuff on Google Drive so that we wouldn't have duplicates and we would both be on the same page. The other one that we used a lot was the Kindle. The Kindle mostly because we downloaded guidebooks for each country, so these are available even if you are not online. So if we don't have access to Google Drive and Maps, or even Google itself, the Kindle will give you an idea of, if you were in a bind. I mean, they were really good to read for things to do, but in the emergency kind of case, they are also really useful. The guidebooks are useful. The other one that was also really good, that mostly for communicating with our family, was WhatsApp. Everybody on our family is on WhatsApp, so that was really useful. They actually, I think, got on WhatsApp for us because we were leaving. Yeah. Because in the US, not that many people in our circle use WhatsApp that we know of, at least. Yeah, and we still use it. I still use it. Talk to my parents. Yeah, that's true. We use it a lot more than before we left. Yeah. So WhatsApp was really useful to just let them know that we were safe. And then as the last one that we would download would be our banking apps, just to make sure that we have money. So these are like the first downloads in case our phone got wiped, but also we think the most useful. So definitely no social media. I mean, of course we were on Instagram, but that wasn't a really critical app for us. Yeah. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed our essentials for travel. I hope they're useful to you. If you have any questions or if you have any tips, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And like us, subscribe us. So we'll see you guys later. Thank you.